Is the ITM project analysis on 25 bills presented by Asim Bansal from PGDMA. Coming to the introduction, this is a project where we have analyzed 25 bills. I have visited 6 outlets in Kharad, Punjab. Various outlets are Domino's, KFC, Gopal, Subway and Baskin Robbins. The analysis that we have done is on the consumer perspective of consumption and preferences, vendor's perspective of sale, service provided by different servicemans, analysis of MRP of product and amount spent by consumers, and analysis on tax earned. This is the now comes the transactional analysis report of our analysis where we have mentioned the vendor address, invoices, product, serviceman, quantity, MRP, amount of tax added, discount gift provided, and the total amount paid by the consumer. This is the first analysis, which is price-wise product consumption, which is consumer perspective. Here we could see various products preferred by the consumer. These are 14 different products from different outlets. Now let's see the consumption analysis vendor-wise. Now we see that the maximum preference is to the Domino's, which is situated in Duco Valley, Kharad, and then comes the Domino's of Sunny Enclave, then comes the Gopal's, then comes KFC. The most preference is given to the Domino's of Duco Valley. This is the number of service provided by the various servicemen at the different outlets. Hence, we see that the 3 services are provided by every person in the 3 hours or 3 to 4 hours, as in we have done it, the bills were collected in the duration of 3 to 4 hours. The next analysis comes of the MRP and amount spent, where we see that the MRP is down and the amount spent is higher than the MRP in every product. This means that there is always a tax added or additional charges given for the products to the while supplying it to the consumers. Now we see that this is the analysis of how much tax does a person earn in a various earnings. So if we see that Domino's earned the tax of 984 rupees in his outlets of 13, and the next is followed by KFC and the other is followed by Gopal's. Now comes the conclusion. This analysis shows that the area where there are more outlets, there is always a preference made by a consumer to prefer a brand, and the quality of the service provided by the vendor also matters to attract the customers. This analysis also shows that there are 5 outlets, there are 2 outlets were just left unused by the consumers, and the preference was divided among the other 3 outlets. Further, it was seen that Domino's having 2 outlets, one amongst all and one at the different place where there is no other competitor existing with it, and the sale went more for that outlet. And because for its more convenience and alone at that place, more accessible by the consumers. This analysis went helpful in finding the preferences of the consumer and quality they wanted through this analysis, and we could see which brand we preferred further. With this, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.